looking at Yang Cheng Fu's second essential point, to so-called contain the chest and raise the back. Something like that. So we've been looking at it, particularly in the preparatory stance, training how to sink the chi to the dantian. So at a physical level, contain the chest means don't let the chest expand or float up. But it really means that the chi must descend from the chest towards the dantian, towards the yao. It's like the chest is contained by the yao. It is not separate. The chi of the chest is definitely contained within the abdominal cavity. If you misinterpret it as collapse the chest, concave the chest, then you develop deformed posture, put a lot of pressure on your lungs and heart, and it's just all round not a good look. It is the chi that empties from the chest into the yao, into the abdominal cavity, into the dantian. If you don't do this, you cannot sink the chi to the dantian. You won't have any chi to mobilize. The second part, the so-called raise the back, is often misunderstood, and people flare the back or kind of lift the scapula like that, like they have wings or something. It's not your back that raises, it's the spine that raises. And more importantly, it's the chi that adheres to the spine and rises up the spine. Now, if you don't contain the chest and sink the chi to the dantian, the chi will not adhere to the spine. So containing the chest is causal for sinking the chi to the dantian, and sinking the chi to the dantian is causal for so-called raising the back. When they develop and mature, they reinforce each other. The chi of the chest is contained in the yao, in the dantian. You don't float and leak out of the chest. The fullness accumulated in the dantian allows the chi to adhere to the spine and rise up the spine, which connects to the sinking chest, and so on. It becomes a closed circuit of chi. It is not a physical posture. Yes, the physical posture matters because it makes the tissues conductive for the chi, but it's not just a shape. And if you take the shape too literally or too extremely, you end up with terrible posture. And we've all seen this, from the collapsed chest to the really rounded body, all these things which are not good for us in the long term. So in order to sink the chi to the dantian, you must contain the chest and raise the back.